You'll have love at first sight with the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make your daily drive the best it can be in this sleek, modern Jetta. You'll love its assertive performance, modern style, and connected tech. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, rear reading lamps, MP3 player, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. Make every journey a pleasure in this comfortable, well-appointed Jetta. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.